Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Last time, we have talked about punctuation marks, specifically end marks. Now, we're going to discuss homophones there, and there. Like I said a while ago, we'll be discussing today the homophones there, and there. Before we start, let us know first the meaning of homophones. When we say homophones, these are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. So we have here examples of homophones. We have 8 and 8, 1 and 1, break and break, floor and floor, meat and meat. So these are what we call homophones, or words with the same sound but they have different meanings and spelling. So let's have our lesson proper. These homophones there, and there can be confusing to kids and adults too. These three commonly confuse people because they are tricky in part of their usefulness, which means we always use them over and over again. So let's start with the first there, T-H-E-R-E. It means location or a place. So in Filipino or in Tagalog, ibig sabihin doon or naroon. So let's have examples. She lives there. Ibig sabihin, nakatira siya doon. Another example, are your puppies there? Or naroon ba ang mga tuta mo? So that is what we call there. It means location or place. Next is the second there, T-H-E-I-R. It means ownership or pagmamay-ari. It is also the possessive form of they. So, ibig sabihin, that is in plural form. We are referring to two or more people. In Filipino or in Tagalog, it means kanila or kanilang. So, let's have examples here. It is their house. Ibig sabihin in Filipino, ang kanilang bahay. Second example, these are their puppies. Or ang mga ito ay kanilang tuta. So that is the meaning of there. T-H-E-I-R means ownership or pagmamay-ari, or it is the possessive form of they. Next, we have the last there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. It means it is the contraction of they are. When we say contraction, not construction, it is contraction. It means to shorten a word. So, in contraction, we are going to omit or remove a letter, then we're going to change it to apostrophe. Like there, we're going to change A to apostrophe, and it will become one word. In Filipino, it means sila ay. Two words po yan, sila ay. So we have here examples. They're just renting it. Sila ay nangungupahan lang. Next example, they're really cute puppies. Ibig sabihin, sila ay magagandang mga tuta. That is for the last there. It means the construction of they are, or shortened word for they are. If you find yourself coming up blank when trying to determine which one to use, take a hint from the spelling of each. So for there, the first there, you just remove T, it will become here, right? So here is also a location or a place. So that is for the hint for there. Second there, you also remove T and it will become ear. When we say ear, it means tagapagmana in Filipino. So that is also showing possession or ownership. And for the last one, remember of the apostrophe, which means it's the product of two words, they are. For our activity, in order for us to know whether you have understood our lesson for today. So for your activity, you're going to complete the following sentences using the homophones there, and there. So you're going to use those three homophones in just one sentence. So these are the sentences. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. Then after 10 seconds, we're going to have the answers. Time is up. Let's have the answer for number 1. There are people out there, T-H-E-R-E, and there, T-H-E-Y, apostrophe R-E, driving their, T-H-E-I-R, cars. In Filipino, may mga tao doon at sila ay nagmamaneho ng kanilang sasakyan. Next, we have number 2. Blank blank with blank teacher. So let's have the second one. So the answers are there with their teacher. So in Tagalog, sila ay naroon kasama ang kanilang guro. That's all for today. So always remember of the uses of homophones there, and there. If you have learned something from this video, hit the subscribe button below. And in order for you to be notified if I have a new video, turn on the notification bell. And by the way, shout out to my former student, Noemi Biala. Hi! So again, this is Joanne reminding you that learning is fun. I'll see you again next time. Bye!